So Silver Princess, I love because it is to do with your life direction. Your brain feels aimless at the moment. So, and when you're sparked and switched on, you're rocking it.
I am, but yeah, I just go straight down into a hole sometimes.
So Silver Princess is an Australian bush flower essence. Let's have a look. The great and glorious masterpiece of life is to know your purpose. Okay, so it's linked in with your base chakra being blown, feeling aimless, despondent, feeling flat, lack of direction. So the positives are motivation, direction, and life purpose. Like, for example, you're doing 5 lawns. Do you enjoy doing the lawns?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. So that's happy, you don't need to change it.
No.
You just know you don't want any more.
Winter, I must probably say, yes, I do, but no, I can't because I can't keep it up.
Yeah. Yeah, right. So this paragraph. So when he made this, he said it's for people who, so this is Ian White, he's a 4th generation Australian healer. Many people never actually know their complete life plan, but let it unfold during their lives. This remedy can be taken when they've come to a crossroads or at a turning point, and they're not sure which step to take next. At these times, they have no clear goal or direction. Maybe you need to set some goals for the year.
Well, I try.
Yeah?
That's not working either.
Okay. Yeah. Many people notice the effects of taking the Silver Princess remedy for more than the customary 2 weeks. Certainly the quality of life for the individual and for society as a whole will improve dramatically when people are able to know and then follow their own life path. I am now aware of and follow my true life path. Hold. My actions now reflect my life plan and purpose. My actions now reflect my life plan and purpose. The bits and pieces in your world, what's really missing at the moment?
Motivation.
Yeah.
Just to get going. Like I came home from work the other day. I knew I had to mow the back lawn and then I got it mowed because the road rang me and said she wanted her son. I thought, oh, well. Because I don't want to lose her because I've only just got to wheel her across the road.
Yeah.
You know, so. And,
Is she
so,
the artist?
No. So I got up and I did it all, and then I came back yesterday morning and finished the rest of the edges. I only had mainly along the curb to do. So I went for a walk, went to Aqua, and then came home and did that, and then went to work.
So you can do it.
So yeah, I know I can do it, but
Yeah, there's a real sadness, internalising at the moment. It's not helping your motivation. So maybe that whole dopamine thing's gone at the moment.
I just wonder if it's because of work, the uncertainty.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. So
Yeah.
you don't have somewhere to give your service to.
Yeah. Because what if they do say at the end of February, well, you're gone?
Yeah.
At the moment, I'm sort of psyched up that I'm still going to be there, but...
Then you find something else to do. Yeah. So then, and maybe your brain is already going by that. You're already in a bit of a grieving thing for just in case.
Yeah.
You've already got grieving because those bits and pieces you would do, the brekkie with your friend on a Sunday morning and, those little bits and pieces that aren't happening at the moment. 7 drops, that's a big one. Did your mum know her purpose?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
I really don't think so. Just took every day as it came.
Yeah. Choose strength and resilience. And choose joy and self-worth. And choose to let go of the past.
Yeah, because I was thinking with Mum, she's being controlled all the time, so why would you have any goals or anything? You know, just wake up in the morning,
Yeah.
do what you have to do, and go to sleep,
And then if you think about as a human collective, you know, we've all been in that, you know, doing what we need to do to stay alive on the planet, and then you're in that in relationships, and then you're in that with your job. You know, it's just like one thing after another after another.
Right, yeah.
And at the moment, the powers that be are making individuals have that fight again as well, where you know there's more fighting going on the planet than any time I can remember.
That's right.
So it's just
I think it's just a sad place at the moment.
Oh, it's very sad. Yeah. Yeah, so there's fear, threat, danger, and this one's kidney, and of this anxiety just continuing. You know, it's sort of like a real, you know, it's like choosing to go see them at Easter. You know, we know there's a fear they'll lock the borders again. We know there's a fear there'll be an outbreak, and you know, we know that they can do anything they want. Although that'll be just before the elections. So who knows what will happen. Maybe Easter will be fine.
Yeah. They're thinking May, aren't they, for the election?
Oh, I'm sure they'll want it as far away as possible, and
Yeah.
I think they have to have it by May.
Yeah.
Because no one's doing very well in the polls at the moment. I wonder how our Clives and Paulines and Craig Kellys and George Christensens are doing. Sure. Going to embed a memory in there. Okay. Take a couple of breaths. And another one. Pick a time in the last few years when you felt amazing, switched on, and alive. Got one? So what's the number one thing that makes that such an amazing memory for you?
Well, I would say that I lost all the weight.
Yeah.
And I just felt amazing.
And what are you wearing?
I'm wearing my own dress.
Okay. And you're looking at it and you're thinking, what are you thinking about yourself?
Amazing.
You're amazing. And are you still that same person? Yes, you are. Now, why did it feel so amazing to get into that maroon dress?
I worked so hard to do it, and I wanted to do it. It wasn't something that I was made to or something. It was something that I did for me. Yeah, for me.
And how did you feel out there in the world, feeling like that?
Okay.
Felt great. Do you want to go back there again?
Yes.
Yes. Do you want to go back there again?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Now.
Okay. So, one step at a time. Know that's your direction. Know that's your path. What are your obstacles?
Food.
So, knowing what you know about food, what are the 3 things you need to get rid of?
Sweet stuff.
Sweet stuff? Or what are the 3 things you need to change? So get rid of sweet stuff?
Get rid of sweet stuff. Get motivated.
Yeah.
And get me do it.
How are you going to get motivated?
Get onto the HCG and do it properly.
HCG. Don't you love standing on the scales every day?
I do.
Excellent. Okay, 3rd thing. So get rid of sweets, HCG, and
Get motivated and just do it.
get motivated and
Yeah.
do it. Okay. So scale of 1 to 10, where do you feel on the motivation scale to do that?
Say an 8.
8. That is fabulous. On a motivation scale, how will you feel when you're on HCG?
10.
Yeah, you always feel amazing when you're on
I do,
HCG.
yeah.
Does it for you. Scale of 1 to 10, how will you feel out and about doing your walks with your beautiful doggy when you're on HCG?
Or 10 because I won't have any aches.
Yeah, exactly. Oh yeah,
I
the
lost-
aches and pains.
Yeah, I lost all the aches when I lost all that
Ah,
weight.
the pain.
Yeah.
Okay. So you ready to do it?
Yes. Talking on your home in the car today, won't we?
I am powerful, I am motivated. I am powerful, I am motivated. I am powerful, I am motivated. You are gonna rock it.
Thank you. I'll see you next week.
There you go. Yay!
Yes.
Yes.
High five.
Nice, good job.
Yes, thank you.
Thanks everyone. So Monica's little update for today.
Thank
See
you.
you again soon.
See ya.